From the creator of XP Finder, we present to you the next generation of testing pieces, the RP Tester, a comprehensive testing of resin performances, diversified and multifunctional, specially designed for all of your 3D printing needs. Test the resin features with the columns and bridges on the test piece. The smaller the pin diameter that can be printed, the stronger the resin is. Wider horizontal bridge means stronger influence of the pulling force. The finest details that can be printed in the inclined plane. Observe the limit of pins and holes in the best printing environment. See how the resin can print the thinnest engraved and embossed line under the best printing environment. Look at the checkers to find the best exposure time for the print. Observe the junctions between the squares to find the optimum exposure time. At the same time, you can also observe the performance on the slope. Frozen RP Tester.